So, once you are here with me, just let me know the particular alphabet that you find difficult to pronounce. Any of the alphabet that you are finding difficult to pronounce, just let me know. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on your location. This is Learn Igbo. So let me know any alphabet, any Igbo alphabet that you are finding difficult to pronounce. Hit me up, let me know. So welcome. Thank you for joining me. Let me know the particular alphabet that you are finding it very difficult to pronounce. Let's do that together. Let's do it together. Let me know that particular alphabet that you are finding difficult to pronounce. Is it P? Is it KW? Is it NW? Which of them is that? Let me know on the comment section. Let's treat it together. Let me know on the comment section. Is it KW? Is it NW, which is way? Is it KP, which is P? Let me know in the comment section. Let's deal with that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, U, W, H, A, I, J, K. Let me know. Let me know on the comment section. Which one are you finding difficult? Let me know the alphabet that you are finding difficult to pronounce. Let's learn together. Let me know the alphabets. Any of the alphabets you are finding difficult to pronounce, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. We have A, we have B, C, D, E, F, G, W, W, H, A, J, K. Let me know the particular alphabet. We have N, W. How do we pronounce that? We have K, P together. How do we pronounce that? We have N with full stop at the top. How do we pronounce that? We have I with full stop at the top and the bottom. How do we pronounce that? Let me know. If you can't get that right, I'm here to help you out. Oh my goodness. I'm getting 67%. People are telling me that Igbo is difficult. Igbo language is difficult for them. Oh my goodness. And I'm getting 33%. People are saying no. Oh, guys, please, 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 please. Okay, learning new language can be quite challenging. With more effort, I believe we can do it. We can actually do it. We can, we can, we can, we can. You can if you think you can. Okay, let me know. I'm here to get, that means we all know how to, we all know the ABCD Igbo, the Igbo alphabet. No one here have already said anything in regards to the particular one he or she is finding it difficult to pronounce. That means we are good. I see. Okay. Which of the alphabet, the ABC, the Igbo, which of them is it that you don't know how to pronounce? Okay, how many of us really know how to make sentence, create words with some of those alphabet? We have B, A, R, Bia, B, A, R, Bia, B, A, R, Bia, calm. That is calm. We are yet to get anybody. Okay. Which of the alphabets, which of the ABD Igbo, which of them are you finding difficult to pronounce? K, W, Kwe, 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 K, W, Kwe, 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 Kwe. N with pom at the top, N with full stop at the top is Ngoe, 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 Ngoe. Ngo miri, ngoe, ngo miri. Drink water. Drink water. Ngo miri. Drink water. N with full stop at the top is ngoe. Then we have SH. She, as in she. SH, she, SH, she. Let me know the alphabet you are finding difficult to pronounce. Then we have KP, B as in Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando is what in English? Kpakpando is star. Kpakpando, star. KP is pe, 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 pe. Oh my. KP is pe. KP is pe. Let me know, is Igbo language difficult for you? Use the poll. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Are you finding it difficult to learn this language? Let me know. If yes, let me know. If no, still let me know. Not really, let me know. Okay, we said KP is pay. Then we have U. There is one that is pronounced as in O. We have U. We have O. U. We have U. We have O. The O is the one that have full stop at the bottom. Under. U with the full stop at under is O. The normal U is U. U. Okay. Johnny Tenor, I can see you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay. Oh my. I see. 40% not really. Oh, I see. Igbo language is not that difficult, but learning new language can be challenging. I understand that. There is no two ways about it. Learning new language can be challenging. Yeah. Okay. So I said we have the U with full stop under it is O. Then the U with nothing under is U. The normal U we have in English alphabet is U. Okay. I see. Welcome guys. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Okay. Whoa. Now all things is being equal here. Okay, we have 33%. Yes, no, not really, equal. Okay, let's see. Is there any of the alphabet that you don't know how to pronounce? Put it on the comment section. Let's see. Let me help you out with that. Let's learn together. Let us pronounce it together. Let us do what? Pronounce it together. Let's go. Let us pronounce it together. K, P, A. A is A in Igbo. B is B. B is B. CH is Che. Che as in chin chin. Che as in chin chin. Okay. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Welcome. No na learn Igbo. No na learn Igbo. Ebiala. Welcome. No na learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. No. Okay. Okay, I have 6 votes already. Then from the 6 votes, 2 of us is saying that not really. Two person is saying no, that Igbo language is not difficult. Then two person is saying yes, Igbo alphabet, Igbo language is difficult. Okay. Okay. How do we do this? How do we do this? How? How? Let me know that particular alphabet that you don't know how to pronounce. Welcome. No, thank you for joining us. Daalụ n'isonyere anyị na ihe. Okay. Welcome. No. Welcome. Is Igbo language difficult for you? Let me know. Oh my. Someone is saying yes. Someone just said yes. Oh my. Not to worry. We are going to do something about it. Sure. We are going to do something about it. Just bear in mind that sometimes, in fact, learning new language can be quite challenging. Yeah. Sure. Welcome. Good to have you. Welcome. Good to have you. Johnny. Hello. Johnny, welcome. Thank you for joining me in this live. Thank you. Let me know if Igbo language is let me know if you're finding Igbo language difficult, or if there is any particular alphabet that you don't know how to pronounce. Still let me know. No. Welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you, Johnny. Okay. So like I said, we have 7 votes so far. Oh, Johnny, don't worry, I will help you with that. We have some videos already where we have tweeted the ABCD Igbo, the Igbo alphabet. You can actually go through them to see what we have already. I believe it will help, and we have other videos that I will get to upload as time goes on. Okay? You don't have any problem. I believe I will help in a way. Surely, I will. Thank you, Johnny. I so much appreciate. Welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me know. Is Igbo language difficult for you? Hi, welcome. Is Igbo language difficult for you? No. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. This is Learn Igbo language with Digital Mazi. Let me know where you're finding it difficult. Is it to make words with the alphabet? Is it the how to pronounce some of the alphabet? Is it that you find it difficult to understand when you are kind of discussing with someone? Let me know where you're finding difficult with the language. Okay, we are progressing. let me know on the comment section, where are you finding it difficult in this beautiful language of ours? Let me know the exact place you are finding it difficult. Let's deal with that. Let's deal with that. Let's deal with that. Excuse me, I'm coming. Still put it down in writing. Let me know the alphabet. Let me know anything at all you're finding difficult in Igbo language. I'll be right back. Okay, alọghachitala m. I'm back again. Alọtala m. Oh, we have 8 votes already. Chai. Out of 8 votes, n'ime mmadụ asatọ binyere aka. Mmadụ anọ si na ha na find Igbo difficult. Ka ihe a ga-eme ihe a. Ka kedu ihe a ga-eme ihe mana onweghị ihe ekweghị omume, onweghị ihe na-ekweghị. There's nothing difficult. There is actually nothing difficult. That if you put in your best, that if you put in your best, that you cannot conquer. Okay. Don't forget, learning new language can be challenging. It's going to be quite challenging, yeah. Sure. Welcome. No. Welcome. Still let me know if you are finding Igbo language difficult. And at the same time, let me know that particular alphabet, Igbo alphabet, the ABCD Igbo, any of the alphabet there that you are finding difficult to pronounce, be it A, be it B, be it CH, be it KW, be it KP, be it NW, be it, which one again? Let me know. Let us deal with it. Let us deal with it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, E, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Don't forget, we have a way that you can sing the alphabet, the Igbo alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, O, V, W, Z. Welcome. No, this is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. No, na mmụta asụsụ Igbo. Mụta asụsụ Igbo with Digital Mazi. Mụta asụsụ Igbo. You know, in time to come, we are going to I'm going to bring the how do I okay, like we are going to come up with the lifestyle of Igbo nation. Yeah, we're going to bring it for you. The way of life, how we dress, what we eat, and many more. So let me know. And at the same time, let me know the particular alphabet that you don't know how to pronounce. Let us pronounce it together here in this live video. Let me know that particular alphabet that you don't know how to pronounce. Let us deal with it here and now. I am waiting. Let me go and drink water. I want to drink water. Let me go and fix that. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. Johnny, yes. Not quite big. It's just like just different of tongues. When it comes to Anambra, Anambra have their own tongue, but we have general Igbo, which we call Igbo Izwe. Anyway, we have general Igbo, central Igbo, which we call Igbo Izwe. So, but different dialects, different town have their own dialects. We have Anambra State have their own tongue, Enugu State have their own tongue, Imo have their own tongue, Ebonyi State have their own tongue, Abia State have their own tongue, Delta have their own tongue. We have Delta Igbo. Rivers have their own tongue. So that's how it is, Johnny. But we have General Igbo, which we call Igbo Izugbe. That is General Igbo. Just like when it comes to English, UK, United Kingdom have their way of writing English, while US have their way of writing English. So, but not much different. We have general one. So I don't know if that is clear, Johnny. Okay. Welcome. Thank you for joining Mota Asusu Igbo with Thomas. This is Learn Igbo. So still go ahead to let me know if Igbo language is difficult for you. Use the poll, and at the same time, let me know if there is any particular alphabet finding difficult to pronounce. Is it KW? Is it KP? Is it NW? Is it the O with full stop under? Is it the U with full stop under? Is it I with full stop at the top and under? Let me know. Still, let me know. Let us do that together. We are going to do the pronunciation together. We can actually make words together with it. Okay. Learn Igbo, which is Tomazi. Okay, kind of feeling it here. Come in, we'll be right back. Learn Igbo with Tomazi. Let me know that particular alphabet, that particular letters that I find difficult to pronounce. Let's deal with it together. Let us deal with it together. Yeah, Johnny, that you were able to grab what I said earlier regards to your. Okay, you said which one I teach. I teach general, the central Igbo. Yeah, the Igbo Izugbe is what I teach. But if you look deeply, if you understand, if you already understand how the Igbo works, while I'm talking, you understand that I'm actually speaking more of the Anambra part. Do you understand? So sometimes it's kind of difficult to avoid, especially when you grow up in your particular area. Na mụta asụsụ Igbo, ọ ka bụ ndị Maazị ka gị A B C D E F G B Y G E J K B Q L M N Ngoe Nwenye O P R C T U O V W Z. Let me know that particular alphabet. I will be right back. Confidence. Okay. No, no, welcome. Oh, we have 10 votes already. Oh, God. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Then let me know the part you are finding difficult. Is it the alphabet? Is it how to pronounce the words? Is it how to read it out? Is it the understanding part when somebody is, when you're kind of discussing with somebody using the language? Let me know the part you are finding difficult. Is Igbo language difficult for you to learn? Welcome. No, ebiala, no. Just like Johnny, just like you asked me, if they are different in Igbo language from different states. Yes, there is. Like some people, when they want to tell you welcome, when they want to say welcome to you, you have some saying no. No is general. Okay? No is general. Then you have people saying elo, like my part. We say elo. We want to say welcome to someone, just like no, which is general one. You have my part normally use elo. We say elo. Then some parts we say elotala. Some parts we say what again? Don't worry, I will say that when I remember. Elo, no, ebiala, eloruola, and so on. It varies. Yes. Igbo amaka, Igbo dị ụtọ, asụsụ Igbo bụ asụsụ na-asọ rịrịrịrị. Igbo na-asọ rịrịrịrị karịa ihe ụtọ. Oh my. Please do well to give us a follow, subscribe to our channel to get more of these. Please, 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 biko, biko, please, biko, 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 subscribe to our channel, biko, please. Oh my. Igbo language difficult for you? Let me know where you're finding it difficult. Let's see how coming. Welcome, welcome, welcome. No, no, no. Welcome. Tell me where you're watching me from. Please use the comment section. Tell me where you're watching me from. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Tell me where you are watching from. And still go ahead to let me know how well you understand this particular language of ours, Igbo language. Cambia, I am coming. Okay. No. Welcome, 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 welcome. This is Learn Igbo. Mụta asụsụ Igbo. Mụta asụsụ Igbo. I'm coming. Okay. This is Learn Igbo with Tomazi. No. Is Igbo language difficult for you? Use the poll and let me know. How well do you understand the language? Is there anything you are finding difficult? The alphabet, the words itself, the pronunciation? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget the KP, K and P is P, B. K and P is B. Igbo amaka, Igbo na-asọ rịrịrịrị, asụsụ Igbo dị mma. Onye na-abụrụ onye Igbo, ọ na-ebe arịrị. Okay. Hey, Nnamani. Welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good to have you. No. Ebiala, Nnamani, Ebiala, no. Elo. Imere nke ọma wee na-esonyere anyị n'ụbọchị taa n'ụwa. No, Nnamani. Good to have you. Daalụ rinne. Oh? Ndewo nwaanyị ọma. Daalụ rinne. Oh? Imere ọfụma. Like I said, I was just saying, if you have any of the alphabet that you find difficult to pronounce, let me know here. Let me know here. Let me know any of the alphabet that you find difficult to pronounce. Let me know. Let's pronounce it together. Is it the KP, which is P, W, which is Kwe? You made mention of KP before now, Nnamani. Let me know. Are you still finding it difficult to pronounce? Or is it making worse with it? Which of them? I hope you can now pronounce the Kwe sound. Let me know, let me know. Good to have you. I think I still have like 30 minutes or even more to go. Yeah. No man, I still have like 30 minutes or even more to go, depending. So if there's anything you are finding difficult, let me know. Oh my goodness. Saying things in general. Oh my God. So how do I come in now? How do I come in now? Saying things in general. Okay. I'm here for you. Anytime, any day. I'm here for you. Don't have any problem. I'm here for you. We are here for life. Yes. Sure. Okay. Ka ihe iri taa, Nnamani? Ka ihe iri taa? Let me know if you understand what I just said now. Kedu ihe iri taa? Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Like, I told you earlier that learning new language can be quite challenging. It's not a problem. Even if you say things wrong in a wrong way, it's not a problem. As you keep practicing, you'll be perfecting the more. So I don't see any problem with that. Oh, you only get the kedu? Kedu ihe iri taa? Okay, let me make it more this thing. Kedu ihe iri n'ehihie taa? Nnamani, kedu ihe iri n'ehihie taa? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. Johnny. Yeah, I will explain that. Let me see what Nnamani have to say about it. Okay, you got the only ihe. Okay, now let me explain that. Kedu ihe iri n'ehihie taa? What did you eat this afternoon? What did you eat this afternoon? Kedu ihe iri n'ehihie taa? What did you eat this afternoon? I get that. Don't worry. You don't need to. You don't have to say sorry. You don't have to say sorry. I love that. No, yeah. No is sorry. Yeah. You don't have to say sorry. Don't worry. We are here to learn together. So, Johnny, what it means is, what did you eat this afternoon? Okay, can we try another one? Can we try another one? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, sure. Welcome. Can we try another one? Let's try another one. Biko. No, you are doing well. I love that. Okay. Biko, please. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Aga m eme njem echi. Aga m eje Lagos 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 echi. You tried. You tried. Oh, that's nice. You tried. I live in Lagos. But not that 100% correct. Aga m eje Lagos echi. Aga m eje Lagos echi. Aga m eje, not ebim na Lagos. I live in Lagos is ebim na Lagos. Ebim na Lagos. Mụ na ezinụlọ m bi na Lagos. I and my family lives in Lagos. Mụ na ezinụlọ m bi na Lagos. I and my family lives in Lagos. Mụ na ezinụlọ m bi na Lagos. I and my family lives in Lagos. Then when you want to say Aga m eje Lagos echi, it's a different thing altogether. Okay? Ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Family, ezinụlọ. Let me know the dialect. Yes, it's very possible. We have different dialects, of course. Anambra have their own dialects. Even when it comes to Anambra, you will still get different dialects inside Anambra. That's not a problem. Yes, we do have different dialects. Olunde, in Igbo language, we call it Olunde. Yes, it's still the same thing. Yeah, I can get that. The only thing there is that the way you wrote it down here, the way you write it here now, is not the actually like when you want to write it in the central Igbo. The Igbo is where part is A, which is E Z I N U L O. Ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Okay, if I should pronounce what you write here now is Ezenolo. 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 Do you understand that? So the correct way to write it is A Z E. Oh, I get that. Yeah, sure. I mean, ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Yeah. The S there is king. Oh my. The S there is king. Yeah, sure. You are doing good. You are doing well. Yeah, now you got it. Ezinụlọ. The another way you can write it is when you want to give space is ezi, outside, ezi, na, and ụlọ, family. Ụlọ house, outside, and your house. You know, you have relation outside there and your house. So that put together is the family, ezinụlọ. Okay. Yeah, daalụ, Nnamani, daalụ. Thank you. Daalụ rinne. I am glad that you are doing well in this language. The number one, the first part of it is you deciding to learn it. You can, and you are doing so wonderfully well. Yes, you are doing well. You are. You are. You are. So, like I said, aga m eje Lagos echi. That is, I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow. Aga m eje Lagos echi. I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow. Aga m eje Lagos echi. I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow. Yes, that's what it means. Yeah, sure. Making sentence. Yes, sure. It's a gradual process. Okay. Okay. It's in Igbo for you, Namani. Just put something. Yes, yeah, some of them is silent actually. Aghọtara m ihe i kwuru. I get. Yeah, sure. I do get it. Aghọtara m ya. Aghọtara m ihe i kwuru. Aghọtara m. Aghọtara m, Nnamani. Aghọtara m. Do you get? Aghọtara m. Then you asking me, do you get? It means the way to say it. Aghọtara ihe m kwuru. Aghọtara ya. The reply I'm supposed to give is aghọtara m. Okay, now, the best thing to do is pronounce the word the way it sounds. Pronounce it the way it sounds. Do you understand? Just pronounce it the way it sounds. The silent part, as time goes on, you will understand the silent part. Just like when you want to say, achọghị m. Some people say achọghị m. Some people say achọghị m. Now the ye there is well pronounced here. Now some people say achọghị m. But someone that is still learning the language, I will advise that you don't have aghọtara m. Now see, you are doing very well, Nnamani. Aghọtara m. Now replace the good. That is it. You are there now. Aghọtara m. But you have to write it together. There's no the space there is not supposed to together. That's very nice. That's very okay. You are doing great. You are doing great, Nnamani. I understand. Good. Okay. Sure, that's not a problem. Okay. Put the aghọtara together. Remove the space. Remove the space. Put the aghọtara together. That's the I'm only seeing taram here. Aghọtara, put it together. Aghọtara, no space. Good. Very well. Very well. Awataram. That is it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to have you. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. Mụta asụsụ Igbo, ọ bụ gị na Digital Mazi nọ n'ụbọchị tata n'ụwa. So, Nnamani, this is I would like you to write Eze Ndi Igbo for me. Eze Ndi Igbo. Let me see. Eze Ndi Igbo. Nsogbu adịghị, there is no problem. Nsogbu adịghị, there is no problem. Nsogbu adịghị, there is no problem. That's good. Eze Ndi Igbo. That's good. But the E before Ndi is not supposed to be there. I think that's a typographic error. I think maybe, yeah, from your end. The E after Eze, remove the E before the NDI. Eze Ndi Igbo. You are doing very well. Eze Ndi Igbo. That's nice, that's nice, that's nice. No, Eze Ndi, Eze Ndi, Nede, Eze Ndi, not Indi. Eze Ndi, Eze Ndi. Good. That is it. Eze Ndi Igbo. You got it now. Sure. You are doing so wonderfully well, Nnamani. That's nice. Eze Ndi Igbo. That is king. Yeah, Eze Ndi Igbo. King of Igbo land. Thank you, Nnamani. I appreciate that. It's not my doing. It's that of the Lord. Thank you. I appreciate that. Eze Ndi Igbo. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's try another one. Another one. No, you are doing very well. 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 So let's try another one. Ekene dịrị Chukwu. Good. Ekene dịrị Chukwu. All thanks to God. Ekene dịrị Chukwu. Yeah. Thanks to God. Ekene dịrị Chukwu. Yeah. Okay. The double R there is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be one R. The dere, de-e-re-e, dere, de-e-re-e, dere. The ekene is right. Then dere, the double R there. Yes, good. Dere, that's the best way to go. Yeah, that's the right way to write it. Dere, ekene dere Chukwu. Ekene dere Chukwu. That is it. Ekene dịrị Chukwu. Okay, try adịm mma. Adịm mma. Adịm mma. Adịm mma. Now, this is where the silent one comes in now. Adịm mma. Adịm mma. Good. Adịm mma. You see, the U there is not supposed to be written. On your normal, if somebody is saying it, you would think that you are supposed to write the U. Adịm mma. Adịm mma. But the way it's written here is how it's supposed to be. Adim mma, adim mma, adim mma. You are doing well, Namani. Oh, yeah, not as much. I thought as much. You are doing very well, bravo. I am fine. I am fine. I am fine. Okay, let's try the Keduka Emere. Yes, sure. Some people normally say the U sound. Yeah. Good. Keduka Emere. Before you write it, let me know what it means in English. Keduka Emere. Keduka Emere. Good. How are you? That's so nice. You are doing wonderfully well. I'm glad to see you do this excellently well. You are doing well. You are doing well. You are doing well. You are doing well. Kedoka Imere. Yes. How are you? How are you? Kedoka Imere. How are you? That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Oh my. No, not what's up. Okay, yeah, how will I put it? Yeah, you can see some people asking you what's up. Yeah, you can still be Kedoka Imere. Yeah. But the best way to say it, how are you? Okay. Let's try another one. Noro ala. Noro ala. Now, you can say noro ala, you can say nodu ala. Nodu ala. In our Sandi, our dialect is norana. Norana. Now, the best way to write is nodu ala. Now, let me know how to write it and what it means in English, if you know. Nodu ala. No. Okay. Yeah, sure, no man, I'm working. I am. I don't know if the question is for me or you want me to translate it. Okay, let me translate it. Yeah, Noro Allah. Good. Some people can say Noro Allah. There's nothing wrong with it. That can be some people's dialect. Yes. Noro Allah. Yes. No. Are you working? That's not what it means. Nodo Allah is sit down. Sit down. Hi, Ketia. Good to have you. I hope I got the pronunciation well. Ketia, you're welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. So, are you working is in Aurora? In Aurora. Hi, welcome, Ketia from Congo. Welcome. Good to have you. Thank you for joining us. Oh, thank you for joining. You're welcome. So, Nnamani, what it means is sit down. Nodo Allah is sit down. Yes, sure. Igbo language is a nice language. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, in Aurora, are you working? Yeah, good. Ketia, welcome. Ketia, let me know where you are finding difficult. Is it the pronunciation? Is it the Igbo alphabet? Is it if you have any Igbo alphabet that you don't know how to pronounce, write it down here for me. Let's pronounce it together. Let's learn together here. Yeah, Nodo Allah, good. Nodo Allah, good. Naman, you are doing well. You are doing well. That's nice. Nodo Allah, sit down. Ah, o juru m anya. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, remove the R after the N in anya. Remove the R after the N. Ane a. Ane a ye a. That's what you have here. But what you're supposed to have is ane ye a. Anye a. So what you have is anye a, not ane a ye a. So anye a is anya. So remove the a after the ne. You have ane a ye a. Remove the a before the y. There you have anya. Good. Ojurumanya. That's nice. Ketia, you're doing well. So Namani, which other one should we try? Let me know. Just write, put something down. Let's try it. Namani. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay. Namani, what is it? Oh my. Let me know. Let's go. Oh, that's nice. Ah, nyamtin come out, boy. Hey, good. Give me 2 seconds. Nyamtin come out, boy. Give me two seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Naman, you are doing so well. I love this. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, Chibike, God is my power. Chibike, on the normal, it's supposed to Chimbikem. What's the best way to say Chimbikem? God is my power. Chibike, God is power. Chibike, God is powerful. Chimbikem. That's the full way to write it. Chimbikem. God is my power. Chimbikem. God is my power. My God is my power. Good. My power comes from my God. There is different way you count it. Yeah, it's normally a name meant for it's a male name. Names with a boy child. Chimbikem. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome, Ketia. Dalu o. Dalu. Okay. Ofe egusi. Ofe egusi. Ofe egusi. That's nice. Egusi soup. I see. Egusi soup. Okay. Is that what you want to eat tonight? Namani. Onweghị ihe o mere. Onweghị ihe o mere. There's nothing wrong with that. Onweghị ihe o mere. Oh, really? Yeah, it's one of my best too. Yeah, I love egusi too. It's one of my best. Dalu, Ketia, Dalu, thank you. Thank you for this kind words of yours. I so much appreciate it. Dalu, onye nwanyị gọzie gị. Dalu, 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 dalu. Nwaanyị nke anyị na-eme n'ike aka anyị. Ọ Obinigwe na-enyere anyị aka. Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye nwe ike niile. Dalu, dalu, dalu. Onye nwanyị gọzie gị. Jisi ike. Dalu, Ketia, jisi ike. Okay, onwe ihe o mere. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Onwe ihe o mere. Oh, the allocatia. Yeah. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. Now, the nkuzi is supposed to come before the Igbo. Okay, Ketia. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi before you write the Igbo. You are doing well, Ketia. You are doing well. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Okay. In our pool so far, where I asked if Igbo language is difficult, we have 43% is saying yes, 36% is saying no, 21% is saying not really. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Okay, Katie, I would like you to put it correctly. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. Put it correctly. Write the nkuzi before the Igbo. Let me see. Nama, yeah, GCK. Well done. Keep it up. It means you can translate it in so many ways. It means so many things. GCK, well done. GCK, keep it up. Welia aka elu, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Welia aka elu. Now, you're supposed to put the welia aka gi elu. On the normal, what you write here, what is written here is welia aka elu. Raise hand up. Raise hand up. Now, man, that's what you have there. Welia aka elu. Raise hand up. Now, if you had written welia aka elu, raise your hand up. If you have a question, raise your hand up. Ọ na ị nwere ajụjụ, welie aka gị elu. If you have a question, raise your hand up. Ọ na ị nwere ajụjụ, welie aka gị elu. You are doing well, Namani. Ketia, no. Now, what you have here now, Igbo onye nkuzi Igbo ezigbo. No, Ketia. It's supposed to be Igbo ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. The only mistake you had at the first one you wrote before now is the nkuzi is supposed to come before the Igbo. So what you are going to write now is Igbo ezigbo onye nkuzi before the Igbo. Okay? Wave your hand, fee aka gị. Fee aka gị. Wave your hand. Nnamani, that's nice. Wave your hand, fee aka gị. Fee aka gị, wave your hand. Good. Ketia, now you got it. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. That's so nice. Very correct now. You did it. We did it. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. Ibu ezigbo onye nkuzi Igbo. Nọrọ ebe ahụ. Stay there. Nọrọ ebe ahụ. Stay there. Don't come out. Stay there. Apụtala. Nọrọ ebe ahụ. Don't come out, stay there. Apụtala, nọrọ ebe ahụ. Okay, yeah. What Katie has said is, Igbo ezigbo. You are a good Igbo teacher. You are a good Igbo teacher. You are a good Igbo teacher. You teach Igbo so well. You are a good Igbo teacher. That's what it means in Namani. Like I said, nọrọ ebe ahụ, stay there. Stay there. Don't come out, stay there. Nọrọ ebe ahụ, apụtala. Don't come out, apụtala. Okay. Ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ anya. Is it you want? Let make me understand. Is it that you want to write ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ a n'anya? Ahụrụ m. Okay, yeah, the best way to put it, right? Yes. Ahụrụ m. Ahụrụ m. The ahụrụ should be different from the you. Ahi ore o ahụrụ m. Then ụlọ akwụkwọ n'anya. Yes. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ n'anya. I love school. Yes. Ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ na supposed to come n, then recom enu hyphen. Ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ na n, comma, then anya. Good. Yes, n'anya, that way. But give space between the two. Between the recom and n. That's no, complete the n'anya. Write the anya in full. Give space. N recon space. Anyị a. Anyị a. Not ne aye a. Anyị a. Remove one a after n. Remove the a before y. Then give space after the comma at the top. Kpumiegi. Kpumiegi, Nnamani. Make me understand. Kpumiegi. That's the sentence is not complete. I think you are missing something there. Yes, Ketia, that is it. Anya. N, comma, N hyphen space anya. That is it. Ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ n'anya. Write it in full now. Let me see. Ahụrụ m ụlọ akwụkwọ n'anya. Kpumie gị. Kpumiere m. Shift. Kpumie can be shift. Kpumie can be shift. Kpumie can be shift. Ge, you. Good, Ketia. Now you got it. Nnamani, write that in a correct way. Let me understand what that means. Nnamani, Kpumie gị. Yeah, shift. Yeah, sure. In our own dialect, we can say Bumierem, shift for me. Bumierem, when you want to sit down and there is still space in a place someone is sitting, you can ask the person, Bumierem, shift for me. Shift for me. Bumierem. Bumierem. Now remove the there's supposed to be bumierem is this, not bimierem. What you write here, bumierem. Now you are getting it a little bit. Bumierem. Remove the nye, then write it together. What you have is pe or me, I, nyi, re, me. Now remove the nyi, Now write it together. That is bumierem. All right, I'll be right back. Stay with me. I'm coming. Okay, sorry. I, okay, let me see. Let me go through what we have before now. Yes, okay. Let me, we have Welie Aka Elu. Raise your hand up. Yeah, raise your hand then. Yeah, Katie, email Adalo. Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Namani. I appreciate. You guys are having you're having fun here. I love that. Yeah. Thank you, Namani. Yes, Namani. Sure. Igbo people are doing well. Thank you. Uh, you're welcome. I'm glad you are enjoying here. Okay, let's get back to it. I'm glad people are having fun. Okay, you guys are so glad. Let's get back to it. Excuse me. Naman, are you still there? Hi, Ketia. Okay, what else are we going to try now? Sure. Take your time, no wahala. Very good day. I will come live again. I think maybe tomorrow. Yeah, sure. Maybe tomorrow. By this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, I wish. You don't have any problem. I appreciate your stay. Good to have you. Okay. Thank you. All right. So, Dalo Namani, thank you. You're good to go. Dalo, Dalo. Don't worry, tomorrow, I think, yeah, tomorrow, by this time, we surely have it again. Dalo, Kemesia, Kemesia, bye, Kemesia. Good. Okay, in our pool so far, okay, we have 38% said yes, they are finding difficult with Igbo. 38 said no. Oh, wow, that's nice. Then not really, 25%. Okay, So please give us a follow. Please subscribe to our channel. You will get to see this and more as time unfolds. If you haven't seen some of our video, please go through it. Then let me know on the comment section if there's anything you are finding difficult, both the ABCD Igbo. Is it the understanding part, the reading part, making sentence with the alphabet, just any of it? Let me know. I will try my possible best to help in any way that I can. All right, I think here we are going to call it a day now. See you tomorrow by this time. It's still me, Ishtomazi. Echi niile anyị ga-enwekwa ọgbakọ dị ọna kabarafụ na ịnọ ya echi n'oge dịka oge a ga-emesịa.